Hey guys, my name is Fatima. I go by Timababii. So I'm just going to be doing another makeup tutorial. I'm just going to be using the Chanel compact. And if I keep looking over here, it's just because I'm watching a video. But first, I'm going to start off with NARS foundation. This is actually a lighter foundation. This is in the color Tahoe. So I like Tahoe or Cadiz by NARS. Those are the best ones. So I'm just gonna put some primer on my face. I usually just put it on my nose and under my eye. Like kind of where I have a lot of oil, like I'm really oily. Yeah, while I'm doing my makeup, I'm just gonna talk to y'all a little bit. So today is Saturday and it's kind of boring, but I'm making some shrimp tacos and yellow rice. Something quick and easy. That's what I'm making. I usually do my makeup real fast because I've been doing makeup for a long time and I used to love doing it a lot. I used to like all the colors and glitter. I like a lot of glitter on my eyelids. A lot of glitter. I watched the whole episode of Wednesday on Netflix. It was really good. I knew Wednesday was gonna be good though. I knew it. So I look really, really greasy for whatever reason. I'm gonna start off with concealer, which is by L'Oreal. It's the Age Perfect Concealer. I keep putting my hand in the way. So I'm gonna go down my nose, under my eyes. So, yeah. Up here. What did everybody do for Christmas? I just stayed home. I wanted to go to Chicago, but that didn't end up happening. Yep. I wanted to go to Chicago. I had it all planned out. Didn't go. Money wasn't right at the time. So I was kind of disappointed, but I guess it was okay. Be grateful for what I have. I just put the concealer all over. Now I'm gonna reach down here because I have some makeup down here. I need to do a contour. I don't see anything to do a contour with. That's okay. One second. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna use this James Charles palette, the mini. All these nice colors. And when I do eyeshadow, I usually sometimes just use my finger. But I'm gonna use one of these colors in here just to kind of contour my face just a little bit. Let me see. Under my jawline, and then I just take my finger usually and I just rub it down my nose. So quick and easy nose contour, just something simple. Yeah, but yeah, it's just a Random Saturday. Nothing really going on. This color, I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like a champagne color. It's kind of cute. And I'm just gonna do some eyeliner, black. I like Wet n Wild eyeliner, they're so much better. This one is, I believe, Revlon. Every time I do my makeup, I always have my mouth open. Oh, Noah. It's crazy. I want to get better at my eyeliner. I like a more thicker eyeliner. But practice makes perfect. Do it real thick on this side. Just connect the wing. And like for my eyebrows, sometimes I use this. I think I have a pencil by NYX. So I'm just gonna pencil. Oh, this is actually an eyeliner. I thought this was a pencil. Let me see. I've been reading this book called Honey and Milk. I'm going to do a review over it. It's very interesting. Very interesting. It helps you with like goals that you want to achieve in life, manifestations, how to love yourself, things of that nature. And that's what I'm all about, especially this year being a new year. I really didn't do anything on New Year's. I wanted to be with my parents, but they live out of town. And I didn't have a way to get to them. But it's okay. I talked to my mom. I was trying to call my dad, but he didn't. I think his phone went to voicemail. Something wrong with my dad's phone, I don't know. So I'm just gonna do like a little glittery liner right above the black. I forgot what this brand is called. You can get it at like a beauty supply store if you like a lot of glitter on your eyelids. I usually do mascara before I put on my lashes as well, but I didn't feel like washing off that mascara because a lot of mascara is waterproof and it takes a long time to wash off. Like last night I did my makeup and I had to wash my face like 5 times, and it was actually the cleanser I used was makeup remover, so that was weird. I need to put on some Laura Mercier, but I'm just gonna use the Black Radiant True Complexion Loose Setting Powder just to put under my eyes. My daughter likes this one. I got a lot of setting powder. I got a lot of makeup. My daughter's always in it. Always. I put a little bit everywhere. My skin is very oily. I used to think I had combination skin, but it's just really, really oily. I want to put some concealer around my eyebrows, but I don't feel like it. There was one more thing I wanted to do. I was just gonna put some Chanel lipstick on. This is called the Rouge Allure Velvet 68. I barely wear this ever. I'm just gonna put some on. It's very moisturizing. You can see it. Looks kind of the same color as my lip, but whatever. Now we're gonna do some lashes. Right here. These are kind of long. I'm just gonna use some of this hair glue. Hair glue dries fast and it's easier to apply. I usually use just Duo lash glue, but I'm using hair glue this time. Yeah, but I live alone, me and my daughter. I've been raising her by myself for a long time. And she also has a YouTube channel. It's Syrahni, Syrahni, Divine, Divine. And she does a lot of affirmations on her channel. She has quite of a great following. She's 14. She does manifestation videos. And I always teach her about manifesting your dreams. Just manifesting the life that you want to have. Oh, these are long, but it's okay, I guess. These are the first ones that I grabbed. So I usually don't use a tweezer. I just use my 2 hands to put them on. Kind of long. I think this strip is shorter than this one. This one is way longer than this one, because I think some of it came off. So I've been wearing these for a while, like when I used to go out on weekends to a lounge or a hookah bar. Yeah. I want to put a little shimmer on my nose. I usually use Pat McGraw's Bridgerton. That's what I usually use for shine. But I'm just gonna put some eyeshadow. Okay, this is the final look. Just something kind of simple. Something simple. Not too much. You can see the glitter in my eyes. Thanks for watching.